What is Citibank IRE FIN S on your bank statement? If you're an Airbnb host, you might have noticed this change and wondered what it means. Let's break it down. Back in 2019, UK Airbnb landlords started seeing their payment change from Airbnb Payments UK to Citibank Ireland Financial Services, listed as Citibank IRE FIN S. This change also led to longer processing times, with some payments taking up to 8 days to reach your account. Previously, payments were swift, often processed the same day. The delay puzzled many, as Citibank isn't based in the US like its parent bank, raising questions about why international transfers were taking longer. Adding to the confusion, some Irish Airbnb hosts continued receiving payments from Airbnb UK, while UK landlords saw payments from Citibank IRE FIN S. This discrepancy was likely due to Airbnb's gradual rollout of the new system, a common practice for large companies. Now, Citibank's global banking infrastructure ensures quick and secure payouts to Airbnb hosts worldwide. After a guest checks out, hosts can expect direct bank transfers within 1 to 4 business days. Factors like destination, country currency, and payment method influence the timing. Why did Airbnb choose Citibank? Citibank offers extensive global transaction services and digital payment solutions, allowing Airbnb to provide a seamless payment experience for over 4 million hosts in more than 200 countries. Citibank's expertise in compliance, foreign exchange, and risk management ensures hosts get paid quickly and securely. This shift to Citibank was designed to improve the payment process for Airbnb hosts globally. So, if you see Citibank IRE FIN S Airbnb on your bank statement, don't be alarmed. This is perfectly normal. Thanks for watching. For more updates and insights, subscribe to our channel and visit our website.